Have you ever looked at your Kikuyu lawn and wondered, what happened to you? Premium Kikuyu VG grass is tough and fast growing, but it still needs care. Often, the problem comes down to three things: thirst, hunger, or soil that's far too compacted. To revive your lawn, water deeply twice a week in summer to reach the roots. Beat it with the right balance of fertilisers. High nitrogen in spring and summer for green growth, phosphorus for strong roots in early spring, and potassium in autumn to increase turf resilience. Mowing matters too. Keep it at 30 to 50 millimeters and avoid cutting too much at once. Don't forget aeration and dethatching. These practices will help the soil breathe and let nutrients reach those roots. And here's a winter tip. Kikuyu, like all warm season grasses, goes dormant in the colder winter months. So reduce watering, but don't let your lawn dry out completely. Reduce your mowing frequency and avoid heavy foot traffic to allow your grass to rest and recover. If your Kikuyu is already struggling, rake away any dead patches and treat pests quickly. As long as you give the roots time to spread and take hold, your hardy lawn will bounce back in no time. Protect worn areas by redirecting foot traffic so that any new growth can become established. With some love and attention, your Kikuyu lawn can bounce back greener and thicker than ever, ready to be the envy of the neighbourhood once again.